Creating a basic website on WordPress is relatively simple. Here's a concise guide. Setup and hosting. Register a domain name that suits your website's purpose and sign up for web hosting. Many hosting providers offer one-click WordPress installations. Install WordPress. Access your hosting account's control panel and use the one-click installer to set up WordPress. You will receive login credentials. Select a theme. Choose a WordPress theme from the free or premium options. Themes control your website's design and layout. Customize your site. Access the WordPress customizer to personalize your site's title, tagline, logo, and general settings. Create pages. Start with essential pages like home, about, contact, and blog. Use the WordPress editor to add text, images, and other content. Menus and navigation. Organize your pages into a menu. Configure your site's menu in the WordPress dashboard. Widgets and sidebars. Add widgets to your site's sidebar or footer to include features like recent posts, categories, and social media links. Set permalinks. Customize your website's URL structure in the permalink settings for improved SEO. Install essential plugins. Enhance your site's functionality by installing plugins like Yoast SEO for SEO optimization and Akismet for spam protection. SEO optimization. Optimize your content for search engines by using relevant keywords, meta descriptions, and alt text for images. Publish content. Create and publish posts or articles. Regularly update your blog to keep your audience engaged. Social media integration. Add social sharing buttons and integrate your social media profiles for better audience engagement. Security and backup. Install security plugins and set up regular backups to protect your site from potential threats. Test and preview. Before launching, preview your website to ensure it appears as intended on different devices. Launch. Once you're satisfied with the website's design and content, officially launch it for the public.